Hi everyone, welcome to GK Moon. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur. Correct answer is Jaipur. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which mountain range forms the northern border of India? Himalayas, Western Ghats, Aravalli. Correct answer is Himalayas. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. Correct answer is Bangalore. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, Mother Teresa. Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which freedom fighter is famous for the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is Bhagat Singh. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Udaipur, Jaipur, Chandigarh. Correct answer is Udaipur. Which Indian state is renowned for its backwaters? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Correct answer is Kerala. Who is the author of Wings of Fire? APJ Abdul Kalam, R.K. Narayan, Chetan Bhagat. Correct answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is India's largest desert? Thar Desert, Rann of Kutch, Deccan Plateau. Correct answer is Thar Desert. Who is known as the father of nation in India? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel. Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the national tree of India? Banyan, Peepal, Neem. Correct answer is Banyan. Which state has the longest coastline in India? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala. Correct answer is Gujarat. To daily learn GK question and answer, subscribe now.